Hello, wanted to show you another application we've been building for mobile. If you've watched any of our previous videos, you might be aware that we're software developers, very much focused on location and mapping, and we're now very active in the mobile space. We've just released a BlackBerry playbook app to the app world for BlackBerry. But we've turned our attention to the iOS and Apple products because the Flash Builder, Adobe just released Flash Builder 4.5.1, which apparently makes it a lot easier for us to actually push Air applications to the iPhone and the iPad. So let me show you an application which is running on this, which is an iPhone 3. It's actually running natively on the device. So let's just install it. You can see the camera there. What we're loading here is an ArcGIS application. It's written in Air, and it's a simple application. We didn't want it to get too complicated. Just most of this is just to see how easy it is to actually build things using 4.5.1. And there it is. This is a street map. It's again using the Adobe, using the ESRI SDK, and we've just loaded the base map. And you can see the pretty smooth panning. What we did was we added the ability to zoom using your fingers. So that's a pretty nice responsive app. This is London, as I've said. So far the results were quite impressive. Performance is good, and in terms of developing the application, pretty straightforward, to be honest with you, and pushing it out and getting all the provisioning stuff done. After a little head scratching, that wasn't too bad either, so surprisingly good. So let's just move to the other application, which this is built using OpenScales, which is an open source Flex API. In this case, we are using GeoServer on the back end, so this is just hooking to GeoServer, again open source, and again we've got street map data here as well. And responsive wise, it's excellent. We didn't go too far with this one, since most of our focus at the minute is going to be on ArcGIS and using location with ArcGIS. But it was interesting to try this as an open source exercise, and it proved to be very straightforward. I am just going to try to zoom the map. There's a small button on the top here, which if I can hit it, I'll zoom the map, but I'm sure I'll just be tapping away. It's a really small button. This is built for a web application, not for mobile. But anyway, you get the idea. Excellent stuff. We're really impressed. We really think that mobile is here to stay, and we're doing as much as we can to build applications on these mobile devices. The next piece of work that we'll do is we'll actually start building what we've got on the BlackBerry playbook on the iPad, and I'll do another video to show that. Thanks for watching.